Imagine waking up every morning without the stress of bills, debt, or the need to punch a clock for someone else. Picture living life on your terms, doing what you love, and having the financial freedom to make decisions without constantly worrying about money. Sound like a dream? Well, it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll walk through a clear, step-by-step plan that can help you become financially free in just 5 years. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's definitely doable if you follow the right steps, stay disciplined, and work smart. Let's jump into the plan. 10. Start by changing your mindset. The first and most important step on the path to financial freedom is to change the way you think about money. Many people are stuck in a mindset that limits their growth. They might think that financial freedom is only for the wealthy, or that it's too hard to achieve. To get to your goal, you need to believe that it's possible for you too. Shift your mindset to one that believes in growth, smart investing, and hard work. Once you believe you can achieve financial freedom, the path will start to open up. Changing your mindset also means understanding that financial freedom isn't about getting rich overnight, but about building wealth over time. It's about making small, consistent moves that pay off big in the long run. Your attitude towards money will determine how well you succeed in this journey. 9. Set clear financial goals. The next step is setting clear, specific goals. Without knowing where you're headed, you won't know how to get there. Your goals should be realistic, measurable, and time-bound. Start by asking yourself questions like, how much money do I want to have saved or invested in 5 years? How much income do I need each month to live without relying on a paycheck? What steps do I need to take to get there? Write down your goals and break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. For example, if your goal is to save $100,000 in 5 years, break that down into monthly or yearly savings goals. Having clear goals gives you direction and motivation, which is essential for success. 8. Cut back on expenses. One of the quickest ways to free up money for saving and investing is by cutting back on unnecessary expenses. Take a look at where your money is going. Are there any subscriptions you don't need? Do you eat out too often? Are you living in a place that's too expensive for your current financial situation? It's important to be honest with yourself and make some sacrifices in the short term so that you can build wealth in the long term. Cutting back on unnecessary spending doesn't mean you have to live an unhappy life. It just means that you're being smarter with how you use your money, and you're prioritizing your financial future. 7. Build an emergency fund. Before you dive into investing or aggressive wealth-building strategies, you need to have a safety net in place. That's where an emergency fund comes in. This is money set aside to cover unexpected expenses, like medical bills, car repairs, or sudden job loss. The goal is to have at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. This emergency fund will give you peace of mind and prevent you from dipping into your investment savings if something goes wrong. It's also a crucial step in avoiding debt, which can derail your progress on the path to financial freedom. So, start saving for that emergency fund right now. 6. Eliminate bad debt can be one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. High-interest debts, like credit card balances or payday loans, can quickly eat away at your income. Before focusing on building wealth, it's important to get rid of any high-interest debt you may have. Create a debt repayment plan and work towards paying off your debt as quickly as possible. You can use the snowball method, paying off the smallest debt first, or the avalanche method, paying off the debt with the highest interest rate. Either way, eliminating bad debt will free up more money that you can use for saving and investing. 5. Increase your income. If you want to accelerate your path to financial freedom, increasing your income is key. Look for ways to make extra money, whether that's through a side hustle, freelance work, or even a part-time job. If you have a skill, consider monetizing it by offering services to people online or in your local community. Increasing your income doesn't have to be about taking on a second full-time job. It could be as simple as selling things you no longer need, or finding ways to earn passive income. For example, investing in stocks, real estate, or starting an online business could generate extra income over time. The goal is to find ways to bring in more money without overwhelming yourself. 4. Start investing early. One of the most important things you can do to achieve financial freedom is to start investing as early as possible. Even with just a small amount of money, you can begin to grow your wealth through investments like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. The earlier you start, the more your money has time to compound. You don't need to be an expert to begin investing. Just start with what you know and gradually educate yourself along the way. There are plenty of tools and resources that can help you start investing, even with just a small amount of money. Focus on building a diversified portfolio and stick to long-term strategies. 3. Automate your savings and investments. One of the best ways to ensure that you stick to your financial plan is to automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account, investment accounts, and retirement funds. This takes the decision-making out of the process and ensures that you consistently contribute to your financial goals. Automation helps you avoid the temptation to spend money that you should be saving. By making it automatic, you're building wealth without even thinking about it. It's a small action that will lead to big results over time. 2. Learn about taxes and how to reduce them. Taxes can take a significant chunk out of your income, but the more you know about how taxes work, the better you can manage them. Take time to learn about tax deductions, credits, and strategies that can help you keep more of your money. For example, contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA can reduce your taxable income, which means you pay less in taxes. Understanding tax-efficient investment strategies can also help you keep more of your investment gains. The goal is to reduce your tax burden as much as possible so you can keep more of your hard-earned money. 1. Create multiple streams of income. The final step in becoming financially free is to create multiple streams of income. Relying on just one source of income, like a job, can be risky and slow down your path to financial freedom. Instead, aim to build a diverse set of income streams. This could include things like earning passive income through investments, generating money from a side business, or renting out property. The more income streams you have, the less dependent you are on any one source of income, and the faster you can reach your financial goals. Think of these streams as pillars that support your financial freedom. Becoming financially free in 5 years is absolutely possible, but it takes hard work, dedication, and a smart strategy. By changing your mindset, setting clear goals, cutting back on expenses, building an emergency fund, eliminating debt, and investing wisely, you can make serious progress. The key is to take it one step at a time and stay consistent. Remember, it's not about making huge leaps all at once. It's about making steady progress over time. If you start today, you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in 5 years. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with anyone who might benefit from this plan, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Keep taking action, stay focused, and I'm sure you'll get there. Thanks for watching.